What's up, everybody? MCD. I gotta kill these villagers. I can't take it anymore. It's time they die. But how should we do it? That's the question. Let's see. We could do a... Let me get some hay or wheat. Put some shit up here. Alright. Bale of hay. Or, what am I doing with that? Jesus. Bale of hay. Some redstone. Alright, we need some pistons. We'll need some redstone. We'll need some lava, but I don't think I have any of that. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Oh, wait a minute. I got an idea. Alright, let's go up. We're going to put this here. And then we're going to put a piston on top of it. I think that'll work. No, wait, we need a torch. Let's add a redstone torch. This should work, I think. I think this will give you an opposite, like the signal it needs to. I believe. So if I put a... Wait a minute. It's pretty dumb. I gotta get the fuckers up here. Well, that complicates things. Not all of them, but a lot of them. I mean, I can get more. It's not hard. It's gotten out of control. There's like 150 of them, and they're really loud and annoying. I've tried to turn them loose out into the woods. Like, see, there's some walking around. this was a ill-conceived plan here. I gotta. Yeah, I'm gonna kill a lot of them, but this is not the way to do it. I've determined. It's not a well thought out plan. So we're gonna move this setup. We're gonna have a little bit of fun while we kill them, you know. All right. So I need a gate right here. Let's go with a gate. For right now, I'll just put a fence up because I don't have a gate with me. Oops. Alright. I just hit the mic. That was probably loud. Alright, so I want to put the thing here. Where's that thing at? The target here. And I want to go with redstone torch there. Alright, and piston. Alright, let me get my piston. Alright. I can break that. Break that. Break that. Wait, no, we'll keep that because I need to have. Basically, I need them standing right here. So make them a little booth. They're gonna be falling in the water, but that's fine. I'll put something down there to kill them. All right, here. Now I just need a. Jesus. All right, so now I just need to get them up there. I need a gate, which I have gates. All right, let me get a gate real quick. Oops. All right, our gate's gonna go right here. All right, then we need 2 stairs. I'll just have to bust the stair. This should be good. All right, come on, guys. Start with you. We'll sleep real quick and then we'll do it. It's gonna be good. All right, come on, dude. Let's go up here. Let's get up here, buddy. Oh, let me break these fucking things. Wah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. No, go, motherfucker. They're afraid of it. I need another gate. Alright, yeah, let me get another gate. These bitches are afraid. I don't know if this is gonna be doable. You know what? Fuck them. Fuck them. Where the hell are they all coming from? Alright, let's see what I can do here. Alright, he lives there now. There's still a lot of them. I still got over 120. Let me do something real quick. Where's my good bow? It appears I've lost it. Damn, what do I do with that thing? Oh, I know where it is. I know where it is. I think. Nope. Where the fuck is it? Let's see, yeah, take this thing that cuts out for some reason. Alright, there we go. Let's go. Let me start it over real quick. It gives me this damn error message whenever I do an animation nowadays. Now, recently, for some reason, it puts this gecko library thing in there. I don't know. Alright, summon MCD warrior. Alright, he doesn't have any aggressive behavior. Let me see. I just wanted to test to see if when he gets injured, his skin should change. Alright, yeah, see, it changes. Now he looks injured. Then when he gets really injured, it should work there. Now he looks like he's about to die. Alright, now what I want to do, I'm going to change the camera though. I'm going to change my screen here. I'm going to go to this one, which is a window grab. Yeah, alright. And then I'm going to, so you can see the screen that I'm coding in also. I think that works. Maybe not. Hold on, let me see. I might have the wrong one. Oh, it's window capture. I need display capture. Let's see. Alright, there we go. You're gonna have to see me, unfortunately, but alright, so from here, alright, so we have this. Now I want it, when it dies, I want it to transform into a different entity that I made. So first I need to make that entity. So I need to go new file. This should slow the first time I go. Alright, there we go. Entity, blank entity. And I got to pick a texture for it, which the first one we're going to use is just a basic, like the default one that I made already. Bridge, projects, warrior. RP, textures, entity, and this will be dead fresh. Okay, open. Then model. We need to go models, dead, geo. And then we got to do identifier, which is going to be dead, dead, and then dead. We won't need that. All right, continue. All right, so I got to add a lot to that, but first I'm going to do, oops. First I'm going to go back to my my warrior file. And close the animation, close the render controller. That's the model. We don't need that. I need this one. All right. So I'm going to do I'm going to transform it. Okay. So the transformation I'm going to do is going to be down here in the events. Well, actually, it's going to be up here first in the component groups. We're going to have a component group called dead. Oops. MCD dead. And for this, we're going to have transformation. Oops. And that's going to be a, let me see, we're going to do a begin. What is this one? We got to do into, and it's going to go into MCD dead. Okay, so then we have to trigger that. We have to trigger that and put that on. That has to then, you know, the game needs to know. Okay, we need to when we die, we have to do that. So the way we do that is with a damage sensor. Damage sensor. Okay, and then we're going to go triggers, and we're going to do fatal. And then on damage, this means what happens when that damage occurs, and that's going to be an event. and it's going to be MCD transform is what we'll call it. Okay, and then down here we need to go to our events, and then we go. All right, so here's all of our events. We're going to go MCD transform, and all that's going to do is add a component group, which is MCD dead. All right, so that should work. Let's refresh the project so it gets our new entities in. And then we're going to go back to Minecraft. I'm going to restart it. Hopefully it doesn't throw any errors. Alright. Let me get a sword or something to kill the guy faster. Alright. So we're going to summon. Alright. Oh, I gotta add gravity to him. Alright. I gotta put physics on him. He went straight up to the sky. So let me do that real quick. But it worked. I can't believe that one-shot him. That's crazy. He's supposed to have a 20 health. I don't know. Let's see here. Let me go back there. So we need to go back to our dead entity. And components, we just need to have has gravity, or I mean physics, which includes has gravity, and then we're also going to do a what do you call it? Persistent, which means it'll stay there, and we're going to make it where you can push it, so you can move it around. Pushable is pushable, true. All right. So now let's go back in here, reload it. And now when we kill it, there should be something that stays there, like a body that stays there. What? Why didn't it work? Where? I gotta mess up somewhere. Let's see. Let's see where my area is. Yeah, where do I have it? Okay, there it is. Oh yeah, I didn't finish this one out. Alright, and comma, Control S. Alright, now we're good. This is going to be my add-in that I'm going to release for this. Is I need to finish this one, release it, and this should get me over the Alright. So there's the dead body. Oh wait, I need to put its animation in. It should be laying differently. I forgot about that. So let's do that. Go back here. Alright, so then we're going to go. We have to add animations. So after the render controller, animations. Pose 1 is what it's called. We can call it whatever though. We'll call it pose. What's up, man? What's up, Zach the Crafter? Why the question mark? What's the question? Pose equals animation dot dead dot pose 1. Okay, and then we're also gonna go ahead and add. Yeah, this is I'm making a mod. I'm making a war like a soldier mod. If you read the description, it says it. Sorry, bud. If you're looking for something, but it's cool. Just you'll like it. All right, textures. Let me add the other textures. I need rot 1, dead rot 1, and that would get textures entity dead rot 1. We'll just do that one for now. Then we're also gonna have to change the render controller, of course. So dead render controller. We're going to change it to the textures needs to be an array, so we got to add an array up here. It's going to be a texture. Oh shit, wrong place. Oops. Arrays, textures. Damn it. We're gonna call this one dead array dot dead, and then it's gonna be texture default, and then texture what did I call it? What did I call that one? Dead rot 1. Okay, which is kind of a shitty name, but whatever. So we'll call it dead rot 1. So what's going to happen here is the body's going to decompose when it lays on the ground. That's what that's about. So for our textures down here, we need to change this to array dot dead, and then little square bracket, and then query dot variant. So that's going to tell it how to cycle through all the different the different possible textures. Save that. Then we got to go back to our behavior file, which is this one. We need to add component groups right here. So we have default, and that's just a variant. Value equals 0. And then the next one will be rot1 variant value equals 1. Okay, so that's all you do. And then we're going to add one more. We're going to do a timer component on this. All right, our time is going to be really short this time because I'm just doing it for a demo. I want to make sure it works. Time will be, we'll put 5 seconds. Normally this would be like a few minutes. And then on time down event, that's going to be event. And then we're going to have rot1. Okay, so we got to come down to our events. And rot1, we just need to define what it does. It's going to add a component group, which is going to be mcd rot1. Oops. All right, and then we're also going to go ahead and add our one animate. We're going to animate our animation or our dead body here by doing this. Up here in our animations, we don't have any yet. Okay, we got that one. Then we're going to hit animate. Our scripts, animate, pose. Okay, save that. I hopefully didn't make any mistakes. Let's see though. It's possible I did. We'll just see what happens here. Open it up, and then let's see if they work correctly. Let me make it daytime. Okay, so this guy changed his pose. I need to change the box on him. He's way too big. Like, all right, now he's starting to decompose. You see the bones on him now? All right, so that worked. Well, let's do it from the start. Let's put one out here and kill it. All right, so now you don't see any bones, but after a second, there, now there goes the bones, okay? So that worked out. So now, the next thing to do will be to make them fight each other. So I'm going to add a event into the let me minimize this. I'm going to go here. Let me go close one of these windows, man. All right, so I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to go to my warrior file again. And then we need to make it a, we're we're gonna make it when it spawns in that it either goes one, it can go in two teams. Okay, so we're gonna put MCD entity spawned. Oops. And then when that happens, we're gonna do we're gonna put a sequence here because we'll probably do other stuff, and sequence allows us to do that even if we're not doing it right now. We're gonna go randomize. Weight equals 1, and that means how likely it's going to be to happen. That's like 1, you know, if I put both of them at 1, it'll be equal chances for it to happen. In this one, we're going to go add component groups, MCD, team 1. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing here. But this one's going to be weight 1, and then add MCD team 2. Okay, so now we have to define those up here in our component groups right up here. So we're going to go team 1. And the difference in this, we're going to use the, we'll use skin ID for this, okay? Value equals 0. And then for team 2, I could use a tag there also, but I'm not going to do it for now. I'm just going to do this. Team 2, we're going to go skin ID value equals 1. All right, so those are two different kinds of that they can spawn in. Now we have to add a component or a basically a hostile event for them for each one. So we need to have in team 1, we need to have was it nearest we want nearest attackable target, and we want to do entity types and filters, value or test, test, and we're testing skin ID. Hey, how you doing, Eldred? We're going to test the skin ID. And our value for team 1, we're looking for team 2, so the value is going to be 1. Okay, and the subject is going to be other. Okay, so that's how we're going to identify that that's a target that we want to kill. And then once he identifies it, we need to give it a melee behavior. Melee attack, okay? And the priority on this is going to be 1, or 0, I mean. And I think that might be all we need. Let's see. That should make team 1 kill team 2. All right, let's try it though. Let's give it a shot. So we're going to summon in. Let me get a spawn egg. Oops. Did I make it not spawnable? I might have made it not spawnable. Or no, I have a mistake in it. Let me fix the mistake. Let's see where the mistake is. I probably have an extra comma or missing a comma. Let's see down here. Oh, yeah, need a comma here. All right, save it. And we'll open it back up. All right, let's get the spawn egg. And there it is right here. All right, now if this is right, and I might not have all the parameters in, I don't know, let me see. We'll see. Yeah, I need to put more parameters. All right, I thought I could do it with the minimal setup, but no. But I can, let me see here. All right, let me do this real quick. I'm going to open a file from another one that I was working on, so I can just copy it over. This is one that like I started doing this with. People to, boy, yeah. So I'm going to go over here to the on this file, where is it? Nearest attackable target. We got that, so we need to just do this. I'll change the filter how I had it. Whoa. All right, here we go. Oh, we did a delayed attack. I'll do that again. Oh, and I don't even have attack damage. That's the problem. Duh. All right, here we go. All right, so where do we put the one here? We put it in under. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of this. All right, and then we're gonna go, and we're gonna get rid of the melee attack. And we're gonna go with this. Doop. Team 1. Okay, so something that's not liking something here. Skin ID. Oh. Oops. We need to do the nearest. Alright, we got nearest attackable target. Get rid of that and that. And that should do it. Alright, so now we're gonna. I don't know, he was on the stream for like 3 days in a row and he was pretty cool. Or it seemed like it. So, same reason I invited you. I mean, I don't know. You don't hit on all of them. So I got that one wrong for sure. All right, test skin ID. Oh, there, and the value is 1. We don't need that. Yeah, I mean that's how you have like a lot of players on their own, like you and Joe or CMB. All right, it's skin ID. There we go. So this should work. If not, then I suck. Let's see. All right. Yeah, add their animations too. So when I get them off the filters, when they kill each other, you see they'll sit here, and then eventually they'll decay to the point where there's just bones, and they'll be there for. Dude, why are they dropping so easy? We're supposed to have 20 health. Huh. But this way they're not there doing it to each other. That's the plan. And then there's also going to be so I'm going to make the idea is I'm going to make like 3 or 4 different teams or different kinds of the guys roaming around that are all on the same team. you can get them to join you though, like from any of the teams, and it's basically just like I guess like kind of like factions or like just survive with these guys trying to kill you. Dead bodies everywhere. It's kind of like I thought it'd be good to have dead bodies everywhere for some reason. And eventually, like I said, the cage just is nothing but bone, so there'll just be skeletons all over. But I gotta get all the animations and stuff working, and I'm actually kind of tired right now, so probably work on it a little bit more tonight, and then hopefully have something. But I do plan on, this is the one, I'm going to try to make this one a really pretty badass one, with lots of interaction with the different warriors, and so you can, it'll be very involved gameplay. And I'll post this one for free, of course, and then hopefully I can use that to get my views I need, because I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers and almost to my view count for YouTube, so I need to stop, stop all the live streams I've been doing with me playing survival. I know that's not when most people join or subscribe to the channel, so I'll get back on the add-ons here soon, and this should be able to push us over the top. So appreciate all your support. If you're out there watching, if you subscribe and like, I do appreciate it. And we will see you on the next stream or the next video. Thanks.